Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Valentine's Day box by the Happy Planner. At this time that I'm filming this, I do not know exactly when it will be released, so I will include all that information in the description box below. So let's go ahead and open her up. I have no idea what to expect. I don't believe that the Happy Planner has ever done a Valentine's Day release before. In fact, we don't have very many Valentine's Day stickers. So this is exciting. So we've got some really pretty tissue paper here. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Sorry, it's hard for me to get this in the shot. There we go. So I'm gonna set everything aside and just look at the card, because the card usually tells us what's in the box, and then we can look at everything individually. So it says, do all things with love. Plan with love. So maybe this box is called Plan with Love. So in this box, you'll find romantic florals, happy hearts, and accessories to plan a life full of love. So we have one classic notebook. We've got metal classic discs in red. So new metal discs, that's exciting, in a new color. We've got washi tape. Yay! I've been wanting new washi tape by the Happy Planner for a long time, and it looks really cute too. We've got sticker sheets, and we've got a silicone pouch. Ooh, I would love another silicone pouch, because we had one that came in the Wild Style Be Happy box last year, and I use it every day. So I need more. All right, first things first. Here are the red discs, and they're so shiny, so pretty. They're like a bright, like ruby red. Here we have the washi. Look how cute it is. Oh, I'm so excited to use this for my Valentine's Day spread. Here's the notebook. Let's take a peek in here. Oh, it looks like the back cover was stored separately. So let's go ahead and grab that. Look at those florals, you guys. So pretty. Let's just pop that on here, and then we'll do a little flip through of this Happy Notes. These florals are so pretty, you guys. Oh, and I love the hearts along the spine, and it comes on little mini pink discs. I mean, you can never have too many of these, and it's dotted lined sheets. So let's keep looking at these dividers here. Love life. Enjoy the little things. What a cute notebook. It's just so pretty. I love this cover. Oh, I might want to put this on my planner. Oh, I love the lettering. I love everything about it. Okay, let's look at the pouch. So if you got the Wild Styled or Stay Wild, I forget the name of it, Be Happy box that came out last spring, like a year ago, it's the exact same thing. In fact, I have it right here, the leopard one. And I put all the things that I plan with on a daily basis in there for easy access. So I'm happy to have another one so I can keep, more items at my quick disposal. And then we've got some stickers. So here we go. It's a little sheet. Let's open it up, and then I'll flip through. is red foil. Perfect for Valentine's week. Love these little doodle hearts. Cute. Mailboxes. Quote stickers about love. And that's it. Just super sweet. So yeah, like I said, all the details about this box will be in the description box below, including my affiliate link if you do decide that you want this box and you'd like to shop with me. All of that information will be in the description box below. So anyway, have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.